Hello everyone. Google Cloud for Startups. The Google for Startups Clouds program provides your startups with access to product and technical support, dedicated mentors, industry experts, cloud cost coverage, COP to $100,000 for each of your first 2 years in the program and many more. The Startup's Guide to Google Cloud. First of all, you have to make decisions. That is the first point. Why choose Google Cloud? Choosing a cloud provider is one of the biggest decisions you will ever make as a startup, as a young company. Time is the essence, and you want a cloud partner that can help get your idea from the back of a cocktail napkin to taking orders fast. Building a business is a creative process. You will want to make sure you are equipped with state of art capabilities for extracting intelligent insights from data to help you make decision and pivot of indeed. And the second point is meet the need for speed. Speed is the new currency of business, especially for startups. There is the speed of underlying infrastructure, of course, but also the speed which you can get your product to market, manage operational tasks, and make strategic pivot. Google Cloud delivers speed to startups in all of these ways. The second step is most important, that is the meet the need for speed. If any company will not meet the speed, then he or she could not meet the